guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Pete. Of course, Captain Keith here, MarineMax Clearwater.
Hey guys.
And we're gonna do a quick Q&A session. We're gonna shoot it to you straight. We're in no rush. Beautiful day out on the water. Got Structure C behind us, and we're gonna get your questions answered. You bought your boat, you're excited, took delivery, Captain Keith just shoved you off the dock and you're having a good time. Now, what's
the way we do it? That's the way we roll.
See your keys, see your boat, see you later.
Right.
Not the keys, I'm kidding. But what's the first thing you should do? What's the number one thing you should know? Well, big question we get a lot is, hey, what kind of maintenance is it going to be costing me? What kind of maintenance am I going to be doing on the boat? People are equating that to their car, oil changes, tire rotations, and whatnot. Well, the number one thing you can do for preventative maintenance is going to be flushing your engine, which on these outboard engines, salt water, can't get any easier. You hook up the hose and that's it. Other than that, you have your annual or 100-hour service intervals for the most part, and then yeah, just keeping up on the details and stuff like that. That's really it as far as everything that you need. It's a boat. You're going to run into little odds and end things, and don't freak out. It is recreational. It's not an airplane. It's not going to fall out of the sky.
Yes, I mean, I wasn't thinking of the maintenance aspect of it, but MarineMax does offer preventative maintenance plans or prepaid plans where you can prepay your annual service for the next year or two, stuff like that. So you're not going to be hit with that 12 months down the road. Services on these boats are every 100 hours or annually, whichever comes first. So you've got that aspect of it. You talk about flushing the engines out, the Vantage protection programs that we have, like the ceramic sealers and stuff like that we put on the boats that definitely help keep it cleaner. You still are going to have to wash the boat and do your normal maintenance and stuff like that. It's not just put it away and forget about it. And then the other thing too, just depending on the size of your vessel, when you get into these yachts and stuff like that, I mean, it's hard to get down in there and climb around in the bilge and checking your batteries and your strainers and your filters and do all that stuff. For the 150, 200 bucks or whatever it is, you can sign up for monthly maintenance and have a mobile service crew come out to the house and go through those systems. And I mean, it's under warranty. They're looking through stuff. If they find stuff, they're gonna leave a note, they're gonna let you know. So, you know, leave it to the professionals. There's some, you know, from the electronics to the mechanical gear and then everything else on these boats, you know, have somebody that knows what they're doing, get in there and go through stuff. You know, our cars, they're turnkey and go. You know, I mean, nobody hardly even opens up the hood anymore. But if you've got a boat that's stern drives or diesels and stuff like that, you need to open up the hatch and go down there and visit the girls every day before you go out. You know, I mean, you got to get in there and check the oil and look things over and make sure things aren't leaking. If you're in your car, you pull out of the garage, you see a puddle of oil on the garage floor, you know you got a leak. If you don't open an engine hatch and take a look down in there, you're never going to know until it's too late.
Yeah.
So, you know, outboards, you know, they're simple. They're easy. That's you know, the way the trend's going anyway. Anyway, that's another question that's been brought into us. So as you guys have more, feel free to shoot us a line, email, however you can get it to us, we'll try to get to them. And once we're back to the Boating Tips Live,
which we will be, we're not just saying that.
Join us on that and contribute and ask questions. So thanks for joining us. Hope this was helpful for you a little bit, and we'll see you guys out on the water.
Bye, everybody.